In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and customize the footer in your Wix site using Google Chrome. First things first, let's get started by opening your Wix Editor in Chrome. Ensure you're logged into your Wix account and navigate to the website you want to edit. Once you're in the Wix Editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you can easily find the section we'll be working on. Now focus your attention on scrolling down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer section. This is where we'll make some changes today. Once you've spotted the footer, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline around the footer area and some editing options appear. It's important to do this step because it ensures the actions you take affect the footer and not any surrounding elements on the page. Now, let's look at resizing the footer to make it more visually appealing and to ensure it fits the content you need to display. Take the top border of the footer with your cursor and drag it downward. This action will reduce the height of the footer. You want to drag it enough to create a more compact area, but be mindful not to compress it too much, as this could affect the readability and overall aesthetic. It's always good practice to adjust the height gradually to see how it visually impacts the rest of your page. Doing this will help you maintain a balanced look throughout your website layout. After adjusting the height, take a close look at the elements housed within your footer. These could be elements such as copyright notices, social media icons, contact information, or perhaps a logo. It's crucial to adjust or remove these items as necessary so that they comfortably fit within the new, smaller footer area. You can click and drag elements to rearrange them, or click on them to delete any items you feel are no longer needed. Be strategic about what remains in the footer, prioritizing content that visitors might find useful no matter where they are on your site. Once you've made all the desired revisions to your footer, it's time to save your changes. Look towards the upper right corner of your Wix editor for the Save button. Clicking this not only ensures you don't lose your hard work, but it's also a good practice to keep everything updated. Once saved, the next step is to preview your site to see how the footer looks. Click on Preview, and the site will load for you to view all your changes in action. This is an excellent opportunity to check the footer's appearance and functionality. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and once you're satisfied, you're ready to publish your website. Enjoy your newly optimized footer and the improved overall look of your Wix site.